Working. Hello. Veronica's been pestering me to do a bit of a video on the car, so that's what I'm going to do. We've got a little bit of light jazz playing, hope that's tolerable. So, the little bliblet here. Say hello. Good boy. And, yeah, what can I say? Well, for those of you that don't know about the car, the whole idea was to get an old taxi chassis, put 2 engines in it, remote gearbox, just for fun, on as little money as possible, as usual. And by the way, if you're wondering why I'm so wrapped up, it's because in here it is 8 degrees in, 7 degrees out. So yeah, boiling, toasty. So progress-wise with the car, what have I done? We've got the interiors sort of done. Don't know if you can see much of that. That's worked out quite well. Yep, pressed the off button by mistake. Interior sort of done. Just made this bit. Still have to do that bit, but I'm leaving that bit until I've finished wiring another detail. I've laid the seat belts on, as you can see. They've got to make a crossbar in the back here, underneath here, for them to tie into, and then mounts either side. What else? I'll do a little bit of a drive around. There's my controversial taillights. It's my curvy number plate, which I've done. Which I quite like the curve on that. Because I always say, shortest distance between 2 points is a curve. And there's my little roof counterface with Medusa straight 12 on it, and malarkey. Made this footwell. That's worked out quite well. And I'm just making these side panels here, which I've made out of some old air conditioning lids, which originally looked like that when I start off. But the extremely technical advantage is that they are completely and utterly free. What else is there? My sexy mudguards, which I love to bits. Do we love the mudguards to bits, Theo? I think we do. Yes, yes we do. You just done a drive-by. Have you just done a drive-by? And I've got the plate done on the other side. Oh, who's that attacking me? Who's that attacking me? I've done the plate on the other side. I was thinking of doing a bead pattern, but after discussion with my artistic director, Veronica, we decided to do without that and just have them as smooth. And the idea is to try and make a plate on the inside that will curve around the engine, like that, and tie the two together, and make sure all the air, the main point of these is to make sure all the air goes through the radiators. And I've made this curve here to just sort of deco it up a touch, which I'm quite pleased with. That's freehandish and it's worked out okay. Did this footwell here, which is okay. Did a little bit of a pattern on it, just for fun. Not sure what else there is to see. It's all turning out quite well. Could be worse. So there you go. I'm going to stand in front of this light because it's warm. And yeah, a fair bit more to do still. Loads done already. Getting onto the home straight, I think. Oh, there's a big light behind me now. There we go. Getting onto the home straight. Looking forward to driving it. That's the whole point of the thing, is the sitting on the road in the car thinking nobody on the planet has any idea what this is going to be like to drive. You know, is it going to be good, bad, indifferent, lethal? I've tried to soften the suspension up so it actually does move. Still a light behind me. There we go. And there's some compliance there, so that should be alright. Steering's nice and light. Engine's quiet. Oil pressure's good. Brakes seem to work. So, front panel's done. Bit around the radiator's done. Seat belts. Upholster the seat. I've just got some needles and some bobbins and some cotton, and I've worked out that my Freegal sewing machine is a winner and may be able to do leather, so I'm going to give that a go. Nothing to lose. Then, yeah, seatbelt assembly. I've got to make some very strong bars for that, so strong. What else is there? Fill in underneath the tail, I suppose, but that's not vital for having it on the road. So, might just be this year. Who knows? What do you think, Theo? Are you coughing something up? Are you coughing something up? You! You! Yes, you! Oh, I'm gonna get you. Oh, I'm gonna get you. Oh, yeah, he said kill me. That's it, kill me. Kill me, why don't you? Oh, thank you. That's it, kill me. Theo, be nice. Kiss. Kiss. Come on, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. 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 Thank you. Oh, that cat, he's a bruiser. He's 2 years, 3, 4, 5 months old, and really good at it. Okay, signing off. Bye.